Hey, what's going on, Elite Owners? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Enter Destination function in a 2020 GLA. First, you're going to hit the navigation button. Once we're in navigation, we're going to be using our voice button. When you press the voice button, wait for the beep, and you're going to say Enter Destination. Enter Destination.
The address, please.
1301 Parkside Drive, Walnut Creek.
1301 Parkside Drive, Walnut Creek. Do you want to start route guidance?
Yes. And that is how you use the Enter Destination function in a 2020 GLA equipped with multimedia package.